Hello, and welcome to yet another tutorial in Gatekeeper Setup series. In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to configure notifications in Gatekeeper. Notifications are a really important part of the setup. It is using this configuration Gatekeeper alerts you in case something needs your immediate attention. For example, if a URL goes down or it comes back up, Gatekeeper sends you a notification. These notifications are sent in real time by Gatekeeper. For setting up notifications channels, log in to your Gatekeeper account. Navigate to manage notifications. If you do not have any notification channels, then you need to create the same. For doing that, click on Manage Notification Channel. On this page, you can add a new channel by clicking on plus icon. On the pop-up, you can see that Gatekeeper supports multiple types of notification channels such as Telegram, email, Slack, Skype, or Rocketchat. We shall now create different types of channels. For creating Telegram-based channel, you need to select Telegram in the drop-down. Give your channel a unique name and click Save. Once you have saved the channel, by default it is in an active state. Click on Activate to activate the channel. This will open a pop-up. On the pop-up, click on Activate Telegram. This will open a link that needs to be opened in Telegram. If you are logged into Telegram web, this link will automatically open there and activate the Telegram connection. If not, you can open this link on your mobile browser and it will automatically open in Telegram application and connect Gatekeeper with Telegram. For creating Slack-based channel, you need to select Slack in the drop-down. Give your channel a unique name. Next, you need to provide the link of Slack channel webhook. Slack webhook URL needs to be generated from Slack. Link on how to do that is provided in the description section of the video. Once you have created the Slack app and have the right webhook URL, enter that and click Save. This will create Slack channel on Gatekeeper. Next, we shall create email-based channel. For creating email-based channel, you need to select email in the drop-down. You need to provide a channel name and an email address where notification needs to be sent. Once done, click Save. Once all your notification channels are created, you need to go back to configure notifications for that channel. On this page, select the notification channel that you want to use for sending notifications. Then click on section for which you need to manage notification. For example, if we need to manage notifications related to server, we can click on server-related notifications. This will display all the servers and we can pick and choose the notifications we want to receive. Or we can enable all the notifications. We can do the same process for domain or monitor URL-related notifications. If you have multiple channels configured, you will need to repeat this process for each of the channels. Once you have completed the configuration, you will start receiving notifications as and when there is alert on the resource. In addition to notifications on different channels, Gatekeeper displays all the notifications in the dashboard. Hopefully this was helpful and you have been able to set up notifications in Gatekeeper. Thank you for watching this tutorial.